Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can send money from GCash to GCash. Log in first to your GCash account. On the home screen, go to Send section. You have many options here, like if you want to send money with a clip or send money to multiple accounts. If you will just send money to a user, just click Express Send, enter the number you will send the money to, enter the amount you want to send. You can type a message if you want to. Once done, click Next, and it will direct you to a confirmation page. Just mark the confirmation box, then click Send. Sometimes it will ask you for a one-time PIN or OTP, which will be sent to your mobile number if it's the first time you will send money to that user. Just enter the OTP you will receive, then click Next, and that's how you send money from GCash to GCash. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.